Hey Queens, Ms.Pk's Crochet Braids located here in McDonough, and we have another new Faux Loc hair here. This is the Mermaid Faux Loc twist. Is that right, Amber? Mermaid.
Boho Spring.
Boho Spring.
Mermaid. Mermaid Locs. Or just Mermaid Locs.
Bree laughing at me. Okay, let me see Bree. She said, "Woman, just give me the paper. Just take it." Okay, so here we go. Boho Spring Mermaid Locs, 18-inch times 3. Okay, so this is really pretty, guys. So we got a whole different pattern here. So we have the twist with the strands added to it, and then we have just like a regular twist, and then it has the strands at the bottom. So this is one twist, and then here's your other twist, and it really does look like mermaid hair, if there's such a thing. It really does look like a mermaid type of style. It's very pretty, very pretty. And this is the color, what is this? This color is 2T1B30. 2T1B30, and that's a really nice blend. Really nice blend. Okay, Amber, how are you liking your crochets?
I love it.
Don't you look pretty, y'all? This is Amber from Augusta. That looks good, don't it?
Yes. I'll just keep it. It turned out beautiful. Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, so tell everybody what you like about it again, Amber.
I love the pattern. And I love the flexibility in the front since I have the box. Because I like to switch up my hair a lot. So I love it.
So the box braids is really what sold it for you.
Yes.
Along with the curl pattern.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Queens, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be blessed.